Hi, I'm Tasneem. Welcome back to my channel, The Basic Point. So, if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. And if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. And you can also comment your queries in the comment section. Okay. And so today I'm going to show you. The video chatting options or the video chatting services available in Google. So there are mainly there are two options. One is Google Meet and one is Google Duo. So Google Meet is widely used now during the COVID period. Google Meet is used for taking the classes for the professional or for the business purpose. Okay. So first I'm going to go to the Meet. And if you are a host or you want to start a new meeting, you have to click here. By clicking here, there are two options: create a meeting for later, get an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. If you click here, create a meeting for later, it will create a link for you, and you can copy this link from clicking here. The link is copied now, and you can send this link via email or via any kind of social messaging app or via any kind of text. You can send this link and call for and tell your friend or your group members to join into in your desired timing. So you can make a link for later, or you can create an instant meeting by clicking here, a meeting instant meeting, and you can invite people to join your meeting. And here is a link. You can add people by clicking here. You can add people. I'm going to turn off my video. You can again you can copy this link from here and send these via email or via any kind of messaging. You can uh, send also invite send invitation using email. Okay, I'm going to email this person and send email. Then this person will be aware about this meeting and they can join. Okay, so this is how you can or you can also share this code. People can also join this meeting using this code. I will show you later how to join. This is the microphone option. You can turn off your microphone or you can turn on your microphone. And this is the option to for present. You can there are two options. You can share your entire screen, or you can share just a window, like this window. I want to share just this window. Or you can share window means this all three tabs, and this is the whole window. And if you separate this tab, that will make another window. Okay, that will make another window. So you can choose entire screen, like with this window and with all the other apps running on your computer. And you can also choose only a tab. There are three tabs. You can like choose only one tab, or you can share your entire screen. Okay, by click here, then share. Okay, and here are all the, by clicking here you can see all the available persons in the meeting. And you can, if you want to chat with, you can chat. You can send any text and send here. That will be seen all the persons in your meeting. And here are some activities option. And here is first, there are some options. So you can also record your meeting. If you have a G Suite email address, you can record your meeting. Then you have an option here like record, and you have to just press that option and you can able to record your meeting. And this is the whiteboard option. You can also start a new whiteboard. And here are also an option, choose from Google Drive. You can start a new whiteboard. You can write anything here and share with your audience. Okay, and here are some pen options. I will show you how to work with Jamboard in my another video. For today I'm not going to show you how to use this one. I'm going to show you just that you can use Jamboard in your Google meeting, and you can present this to everyone. Okay, in that case you have to tap the option, um, and you have to like choose option, sorry, and here is the all the available board you have used previously, like this one and this one, all the available board you have previously used, like this one. So now you can, I'm going to show you, sorry, stop presenting. Now you can only like here are different windows, like you want to show just this window, then select this window and share. Okay, then your only the Jamboard will be present. Okay, only the Jamboard will be shown to the viewers or to the group members. Okay, to the members that joined the call. Then if you want to join call from if you want to join call, if you are another user, then what you have to do, you have to you have to use this code, or you can use the link, the group link, and you can join your call from here by clicking here, enter a new meeting code, um give the code and join. Okay, and here are some options, you can switch your account, and here are some options. I'm going to turn off my camera and turn off my microphone. Join now. Okay, so look, so this is how you can join any meeting, and you can also present, if your host let you to present. And here this is the option, if you want to leave the call, you can just press here, you will leave the call, and you can also rejoin the call by clicking here. Okay, so I'm not going to rejoin. So this is how you can use Google Meeting. Return to the home screen, and there is another option, schedule in Google Calendar. You can also schedule a future call using Google Calendar. You have to add a title. I'm going to meeting. Then here is an option for uh, which day you want to make you want to do this meeting, like 12th, and this is the time from when to when. So you can also change the time. Okay, start time and end time, and join your Google Meet. You can copy this link and send it to your friend for joining. You can also set the location. You can also set notification. You can set notification by email or notification. If you choose email, there will be a reminder in your email address, and if you email address 30 minutes before the meeting, or you can also change it like 20 minutes, like uh, like how many times before you want to set the reminders. You can choose minute, hour, days. Okay, so you can also choose notification, then Google will send you a notification that hey, you have a meeting after 30 minutes. Okay, you can also change the color of the meeting, and you can also add some description, and you can also add some guest from here. You can add some guest. The session is organizer, and this is your guest, and you can also save the event. And you want to, if you want to send an email address, you can send email address, or you can don't send. I want to send an email address. Okay, then if you choose there, an email will be sent to your guest. Okay, so this is my meeting, and you can also delete the event or edit the event. Okay, by using this. Okay, and you can also email your guest by clicking here. Okay, send a message, hi, please join. Okay, so that an email has will be sent to your guest. Okay, so this is how you can schedule a future meeting using your Google Calendar, and Google Calendar will remind you about those. And I will show the details of Google Calendar in my later videos. So for now, that's all. Okay, so there are another so there's another option, that is Google Duo. You can also do video chatting using Google Duo. I'll show you. So you can add a phone number from here. You can start a call, instant call, by clicking here, or you can create a group. You can start an instant call, video call. You can call a phone number or email. You can this is kind of our mobile phone. You can call any phone number. You can call to any phone number user, or you can call to any email user. But the person has must have to use Google Duo. Okay. Or you can also send the invitation, copy and send it via any kind of messaging, or you can also email the person you want to contact with. Okay. Okay, the email has been sent. So if the person has joined, you're able to start a call with the person, and you can also create a group link. Okay, so here is the option. You can add people and you can start a call. Look, the email has been sent. Notification. So this is how you can create a group. You can join. You can add people also. Turn off the camera. So you can add people by clicking here, or you can copy group link. Okay, you can copy group link from here and send it to your group member, or send it to the person you want to join the call. Okay, here is an option to copy. So this is how you can also use Google Duo, and you make call with the person, make video call with the person you want, and you can also leave the call by clicking here. Okay, so here are some activities, recent activity. So group call 1 and group call 1. So what did you do actually? Okay, that is all for today's video. I don't want to make these videos much more longer, so that mm, it will make you bored. I'm going to end this up, but before ending up, I want to request you to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button, and you can also give a thumbs up if you like my videos, and if you have any queries, you can comment down below. Bye.